みなさん、KONNICHIWA. Welcome to Introduction to Japanese Kanji series based from the Minna No Nihongo Kanji textbook. This series is divided into 20 lessons or units, and each unit will have about 10 to 14 kanji. Japanese kanji are based from the Chinese characters and is one of the three writing systems in Japan. The other two are hiragana and katakana. Just like the alphabet, hiragana and katakana only represent the sound. They don't really mean anything by itself. On the other hand, Japanese kanji not only represents the sound, but also each character has its own meaning. They were actually drawings or pictures of different things that were simplified so they can be used for writing. Most kanji have two readings, the kunyomi, which is the Japanese reading, and the onyomi, which is the Chinese reading. So, when do we use the kunyomi and when do we use the onyomi? The general rule of thumb is when it is a single or standalone kanji, we use the kunyomi or the Japanese reading. Also, when it is used for names of person or place, kunyomi is also used. However, when it is combined with another kanji, onyomi or Chinese reading is used. Also, when it is followed by hiragana characters, kunyomi is also used. I say general rule because there are many words that don't necessarily follow these rules, so just take this as a guideline. Aside from kunyomi and onyomi, kanji can also have other special readings depending on certain words or combination of kanji. Sometimes the sound will slightly differ from its kunyomi or onyomi reading, but there are times that it will be a totally different sound. Because of this, personally, I don't try to memorize the kunyomi or the onyomi. So instead, I just try to remember the reading of each word in kanji. For example, if it's in standalone or the single kanji, or if it's combined with another kanji. In this series, we will learn how to write the kanji, its meaning, and their kunyomi or onyomi readings, and also some of the basic words using this kanji. If it's your first time learning kanji, I suggest that you study only one unit a day so you don't overwhelm yourself. Also, try to write the kanji a few times on your notebook because this will help you remember the kanji faster. I will also put the list of the words that will appear in each lesson in the description box so you can come back and review them later. By the end of this series, you'll be able to recognize and read 220 kanjis. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. それでは始めましょう。This kanji means sun, day. Kunyomi, 日、日、か。onyomi, 日、日、日。日曜日、曜日、今日、明日、昨日、毎日、日本、日本、日本人、日本語、日、一日、1日。This kanji means moon, month. Kunyomi, 月。onyomi, 月、月。月。月。1月。ヶ月。2ヶ月。先月。 今月、来月、毎月。This kanji means fire. 訓読み、ひ、ほ。音読み、か、ひ。家事、火曜日。This kanji means water. 訓読み、水。音読み、水。水。水道。This kanji means tree, wood, log, lumber. 訓読み、木、こ。音読み、木、木。木。木曜日。This kanji means gold, money. 訓読み、金、かな。音読み、金、金。金。お金。金曜日。This kanji means soil, earth, land, ground. 訓読み、土。音読み、ど、と。土。土地。土曜日。This kanji means mountain. 訓読み、山。音読み、山。山。火山。山田さん。山川さん。This kanji means river, stream, creek. 訓読み、川。音読み、線。川。山川さん。中川さん。This kanji means rice paddy or rice field. 訓読み、た。音読み、でん。田中さん。田舎。山田さん。